Here are 4 phrases to remove from your vocabulary if you want to lose fat long term. You see, the perfect exercise and meal plan isn't going to do squat for you until you start talking to yourself differently. I'm a huge believer in that the language we use, it subconsciously dictates our actions or lack of actions. Phrases like, I want to start eating better. I hope I can work out. I think I can make time to go to the gym. Or I'm trying to make healthier choices. Notice these words like want, hope, try, I think. This language is subconsciously telling yourself that it is okay if it doesn't get done. And it most likely won't, because you have created a habit of not following through. And each time you didn't follow through, you lowered your own self-trust about the things that you say that you're going to do. And guess what? That is not okay. Start replacing those phrases that we talked about earlier. I will go for a walk today. I am going to make a healthier meal for dinner. And then follow through with it. So the words we speak do have power. So why not use that to our advantage?